In this video, we'll look at a hybrid query between a Snowflake table, which has the details of different transactions, and a master table which is situated in MySQL, which has the details of the items that are being sold. So the query that we are defining is an aggregation query. So we will create a summary table of the quantity of each of the items sold, and the join that happens in this table, in this query, is between a Snowflake table and a MySQL table. So this is an example of a hybrid query between on-prem and cloud data source. So now let's run the query. So the query now will switch to running, and let's wait for a few seconds for it to complete. So the query is complete. So it should be completing. Yeah, it's completed now. So if we look at the details, we can see that it does create a summary table as we wanted. So it does have a item level quantity, and then we added some additional details of each item from the master table. Now if we go to the Presto cluster that ran this query, so and we look at the finished queries, we can see that this was the query that we ran. So if we scroll down, we should see the query details. We should also see different stages that it ran. So now if we switch to the live plan, we should be able to see what those different stages were and what they did. So let's look at it. Let's zoom down a bit. So if we scroll down, I think we see that the stage 4, if we look at the pop-up, we see that the connector details of Snowflake are popping up. So stage 4 actually got executed remotely on Snowflake. Then let's look at the stage 3. So stage 3, again, if you see the pop-up, black pop-up, you see the MySQL popping up details. So stage 3 got executed within the MySQL database on-prem. Then both of this stage 4 and stage 3 provided data to stage 2, and this stage 2 got executed on the Presto cluster itself. So that this stage 2 executed on the Unified Analytics itself that we are running. So it got locally executed within Unified Analytics, and then stage 1 also got executed within Unified Analytics, where everything was put together and the results were shared. So this is one good example of how a hybrid query runs on Unified Analytics with Presto. Thank you.